You are watching Fair Notebook Channel, turning pages, building futures.
Welcome to our channel Fair Notebook. Today we are going to do poem Our Friend's Prayer by Jill Wolfe. In this video we are going to discuss explanation of the poem, summary and question answers. The poem Our Friend's Prayer beautifully expresses the feeling of a true friend. In this poem, the poet offers a heartfelt prayer to God, asking not for wealth or success, but for kindness, patience, strength, and love for both himself and his friend. The poem teaches us important values like empathy, selflessness, and the true meaning of friendship. Through this prayer, we learn that a real friend always wishes happiness and goodness for others even more than for himself. Let us do these activities before we read. Read the following sentences. A. I wish my friend brings idli in her tiffin tomorrow. B. I hope my friend and I win the race tomorrow. C. May my friend get well soon. Which of the three sentences A to C is closest to a prayer? Answer. Among the sentences A to C, the one that is closest to a prayer is C. May my friend get well soon. This sentence is a prayer because it is expressing a heartfelt wish or hope for someone's well-being. The word may is often used in prayers to express a desire or wish for something positive to happen. Second, what would you pray for your friend? First speak about it and then write it down. This is just an example of the answer. You should write it down in your own words. Before writing it down, let's think about what your friend might need or want. Consider their current situation and how you can best support them. Here is an example of a prayer for a friend. I pray that my friend finds happiness and success in all their endeavors. May they always have the strength to overcome challenges and the courage to pursue their dreams. I hope they stay healthy, joyful, and surrounded by love and support. Explanation of the poem. May my friendships always be the most important thing to me. Explanation of these lines. The poet wants friendships to always be the most valuable thing in their life. कवि कहता है कि दोस्ती हमेशा उनके जीवन में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज बनी रहे. With special friends, I feel I am blessed. So let me give my very best. The poet feels lucky to have such special friends and wants to give their best to them. कवि को अपने खास दोस्तों का होना एक आशीर्वाद लगता है और वह उन्हें अपना सबसे अच्छा देना चाहता है. I want to do much more than share the hopes and plans of friendship who care. The poet wants to do more than just sharing their friends' dreams and plans. कवि कहता है कि वह सिर्फ दोस्तों के सपनों और योजनाओं को साझा करने से ज़्यादा कुछ करना चाहते हैं. I will try all that a friend can do to make their wishes come true. The poet promises to do everything possible to help their friends achieve their dreams. कवि वादा करता है कि वह अपने दोस्तों के सपनों को सच करने के लिए हर संभव कोशिश करेंगे. Let me use my heart to see, to realize what friends can be. The poet wants to understand the true meaning of friendship with their heart. कवि अपने दिल से समझना चाहते हैं कि दोस्ती का असली मतलब क्या है. And make no judgments from afar, but love my friends the way they are. The poet does not want to judge their friends from a distance, but love them just as they are. कवि दूर से दोस्तों को जज नहीं करना चाहते, बल्कि उन्हें वैसे ही प्यार करना चाहते हैं जैसे वे हैं. Summary and question answers. Summary of the poem. The poem is about the importance of friendship. The poet wants friendships to be the most valuable thing in their life. They feel blessed to have a special friend and promise to give their best to them. The poet wants to do more than just sharing dreams and plans. They want to help their friends achieve their wishes. They also want to understand the true meaning of friendship with their heart and love their friends just as they are without judging them. Complete the summary of the poem by circling the correct highlighted words. The poet says a prayer for or speech on friendship and friends. The correct highlighted word is prayer for. She wants that friendship should always be an important part of her complete life or school days. Correct answer is complete life. She says that her friendship make her feel brave or special. Answer is special. She wishes to do the best she can for her friends. She wants to clap for or listen to their wishes of her friends. The answer is listen to. As a good friend, she prays or imagines that she is able to make her friends' wishes come true. The answer is prays. She wants her heart or mind to understand what a true friend is. The answer is heart. She prays that she loves her friends as they are or when they are happy. Answer is as they are. She tells us that a true or correct friend accepts their friend for all their qualities. The answer is true. Answer in one word only. Question: how does the poet feel about special friends? Answer: blessed. Question: what does the poet use to realize what friends can be? Answer: heart. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the questions given below. I want to do much more than share the hopes and plans of friends who care. I will try all that a friend can do to make their wishes come true. First, complete the sentence with the most suitable option. These lines tell us that the speaker is option A, clever, B, caring, C, curious, D, calm. The answer is caring. Second, how will the speaker make her friend's wishes come true? Option: by trying hard or by working a lot. Answer is by trying hard. Third, fill in the blank with a suitable word. My friends will feel if their wishes come true. Answer is happy. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the questions given below. Let me use my heart to see, to realize what friends can be, and make no judgments from afar, but love my friends the way they are. First, the speaker says that feelings are important to understand friendship. Which line tell us this? Answer: let me use my heart to see. Second, complete the sentence with the most suitable option. These lines tell us that the speaker is option A, helpful, B, thoughtful, C, cheerful, D, hopeful. The answer is thoughtful. Third, fill in the blank with one word. The speaker does not wish to make any She cares for them just they are. The answer is judgments. Question. Reason why the poem is a prayer. Answer. The poem is a prayer because it expresses sincere wishes for friends' well-being and happiness. यह कविता एक प्रार्थना है क्योंकि यह दोस्तों की भलाई और खुशी के लिए सच्ची इच्छाओं को व्यक्त करती है. क्वेश्चन. रीजन व्हाई द स्पीकर वांट्स टू डू मोर फॉर हर फ्रेंड. आंसर. द स्पीकर वांट्स टू डू मोर because they care deeply about their friend and want to help them to achieve their dreams. वक्ता अपने दोस्तों के लिए अधिक करना चाहती हैं क्योंकि वे अपने दोस्त की बहुत परवाह करती हैं और उनके सपनों को सच करने में उनकी मदद करना चाहती हैं. क्वेश्चन. Does the speaker know about the wishes of her friend? Answer. Yes. The speaker knows about the friend's wishes because she listens to them and wants to help to make them come true. वक्ता अपने दोस्तों की इच्छाओं के बारे में जानती है क्योंकि वह उनकी बातों को सुनती है और उन्हें पूरा करने में मदद करना चाहती है. क्वेश्चन. Do you also pray for your friend? What do you wish for? Answer. Yes. I pray for my friend. I wish for their happiness, health and success. हाँ, मैं अपने दोस्त के लिए प्रार्थना करना चाहती हूँ. मैं उनकी खुशी, स्वास्थ्य और सफलता की कामना करती हूँ. क्वेश्चन. What does the poet feel about having special friends? Answer. The poet feels blessed to have special friends. कवि खुद को खास दोस्तों के साथ बहुत सौभाग्यशाली महसूस करते हैं. क्वेश्चन. What does the poet wants to use to understand true friendship? Answer. The poet wants to use her heart to understand true friendship. कवि सच्ची दोस्ती को समझने के लिए अपने दिल का उपयोग करना चाहती हैं. क्वेश्चन. What does the poet want to do for her friends? Answer. The poet wants to make her friends' wishes come true. कवि अपने दोस्तों की इच्छाओं को पूरा करना चाहती हैं. क्वेश्चन. What does the poet want to be the most important thing in their life? Answer. The poet wants friendships to be the most important thing in their life. कवि चाहती हैं कि दोस्ती उनके जीवन में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज बनी रहे. क्वेश्चन. What lesson does the poem teach us about friendship? Answer. The poem teaches us that true friendship means caring, understanding and loving friends without judging them. कविता हमें सिखाती है कि सच्ची दोस्ती का मतलब है दोस्ती की परवाह करना, उन्हें समझना और बिना जज किए उन्हें प्यार करना. Let us learn. The poet says, with special friends, I feel I am blessed. Select the words that are similar to the meaning of being blessed from those given below: excited, grateful, understood, thankful, or relaxed. The answer is the words that are similar to the meaning of being blessed are grateful and thankful. Good friends have a lot of qualities. Let us list some. Answer. Some qualities of good friends are loyal, helpful, kind, caring, honest. Now, fill in the blanks with the words you just listed above. My friend is always dash to me even when I make a mistake. The answer is loyal. My friend shares things with me. She is very. The answer is kind. My friend is dash because he always supports me. The answer is caring. My friend never lies. She is an dash person. The answer is honest. My friend and I believe in dash for each other. The answer is helping. Think of any three of your friends. Write 3 sentences on why you like each one of them. This is just an example of the answer. You should write the name of your 3 friends according to yourself. Answer. First friend, I like him because he's always cheerful, makes me feel happy, and supports me no matter what. Second friend, I like him because he is very wise, gives honest advice, and understands me deeply. Third friend, I like him because he is fun to be around, shares great adventures, and never lets me feel alone. Describe how your friendship with your friend started. First, list the answers for when, where, how. Then, use your sentences to write a short paragraph of about 80 words. Give a title to your paragraph. This is just an example of the answer. You should write it down in your own words. Answer. When? Last year. Where? At school. How? We were paired for a science project. Title. The beginning of a special friendship. Paragraph. Last year at school, my friendship with my friend started when we were paired for our science project. We worked together on the project and discovered that we had many common interests. We enjoyed helping each other and sharing our ideas. Over time, we became good friends, supporting each other in our studies and daily life. This special friendship has continued to grow, and I feel grateful for the bond we share. There are many quotations about friendship. Read the ones given below. A friend in need is a friend indeed. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. What do you think is the meaning of these quotations? Answer. The first quotation means a true friend is someone who helps you when you are in trouble. The second quotation means a best friend is someone who encourages you to be the best self. पहले quotation का मतलब है कि सच्चा दोस्त वह होता है जो मुश्किल समय में आपकी मदद करता है. दूसरे कोटेशन का मतलब है कि सबसे अच्छा दोस्त वह होता है जो आपको अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ बनने के लिए प्रेरित करता है. The next question of the quotations that we have seen on the last slide is, think of an experience in your life with your friend that suits these quotations. Answer. Experience in your life with your friend that suits this quotation. This is just an example of the answer. You should write it in your own words. Once, I was very upset because I failed in a test. My best friend stayed with me, helped me study, and encouraged me to do better. This suits the first quotation because they supported me in my tough time. Another time, my friend motivated me to participate in a competition. Because of their encouragement, I won a prize. This suits the second quotation because they brought out the best in me. Look for some famous quotations on friendship. These can be in your own language too. Answer. Famous quotation on friendship. First, a real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. एक सच्चा दोस्त वह होता है जो दुनिया के छोड़ने पर आपके साथ खड़ा होता है. Second, a friend is someone who knows all about you and still love you. By Albert Hubbard. एक दोस्त वह होता है जो आपके बारे में सब कुछ जानता है और फिर भी आपसे प्यार करता है. Third, A true friend is like a diamond, bright, beautiful and rare. एक सच्चा दोस्त हीरे की तरह होता है, चमकदार, सुंदर और दुर्लभ. Fourth, friends are the family we choose for ourselves. दोस्त वह परिवार होते हैं जिन्हें हम खुद चुनते हैं. Fifth, good friends make good times better and hard times easier. अच्छे दोस्त अच्छे समय को और बेहतर और मुश्किल समय को और आसान बना देते हैं. Sixth, friendship is sharing smiles, tears and everything in between. दोस्ती मुस्कान, आंसू और बीच की हर चीज को साझा करना है. Seventh, friendship is the only flower that blooms in all seasons. दोस्ती एकमात्र ऐसा फूल है जो हर मौसम में खिलता है. Eighth, a friend is someone who makes your problems their problems just so you don't have to face them alone. एक दोस्त वह होता है जो आपकी परेशानियों को अपनी परेशानी बना लेता है ताकि आपको अकेले उनका सामना ना करना पड़े. More important question answers that you will see in the examination. Question: what is the central idea of the poem A Friend's Prayer? Answer: a poem is about true friendship and selfless prayer for good qualities. कविता का मुख्य भाव सच्ची मित्रता और अच्छे गुणों के लिए की गई निस्वार्थ प्रार्थना है. क्वेश्चन: टू whom does the poet pray in the poem? Answer: the poet prays to God. कवि ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता है. क्वेश्चन: for whom does the poet pray? Answer: the poet prays for his friend and himself. कवि अपने मित्र और अपने लिए प्रार्थना करता है. क्वेश्चन: what does the poet ask in need of wealth? Answer: the poet asks for kindness and understanding. कवि धन की जगह दया और समझ की कामना करता है. क्वेश्चन: why does the poet want patience? Answer: to face the difficulties calmly. कठिनाइयों का शांत मन से सामना करने के लिए. क्वेश्चन: what quality helps a person forgive others? Answer: a kind and loving heart. दयालु और प्रेम पूर्ण हृदय. क्वेश्चन: what does the poet pray for during hard times? Answer: strength and courage. कठिन समय में शक्ति और साहस. क्वेश्चन: does the poet pray only for himself? Answer: no. He prays more for his friend. नहीं, वह अपने मित्र के लिए अधिक प्रार्थना करता है. Question: what does the poem teach us about friendship? Answer: true friendship is selfless. सच्ची मित्रता निस्वार्थ होती है. Question: why is the prayer called a friend's prayer? Answer: because it is offered with the love for a friend. क्योंकि यह मित्र के लिए प्रेम से की गई प्रार्थना है. Question: what role does love play in the poem? Answer: love makes friendship strong and pure. प्रेम मित्रता को मजबूत और पवित्र बनाता है. Question: what does the poet wish for the future? Answer: a life guided by good values. अच्छे मूल्यों से भरा जीवन. Question: how does the poem reflect more values? Answer: it promotes kindness, patience and humility. यह दया, धैर्य और विनम्रता को बढ़ावा देती है. Question: what kind of person does the poet want to become? Answer: a good and helpful human being. एक अच्छा और सहायक इंसान. Question: what is the main message of the poem? Answer: good character is more important than success. अच्छे चरित्र का महत्व सफलता से अधिक है। Hope you will find this video helpful and informative. Please like and share this video with your friends and also subscribe our channel Fair Notebook. Thanks for watching.